y'all, today I'm going to be working with my latest find on Facebook Marketplace today and transplanting all of my peppers into these beautiful terracotta containers. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment before. Do you prefer terracotta, ceramic, plastic, wood? What type of containers do you prefer for your plants? Okay, so I got these 6 terracotta planters from Facebook Marketplace, and you guys, I got all 6 of these for $50. I'm super thrilled, so excited. I actually already owned one. You can kind of see over there in the container, over there in the corner. It's much smaller than these other ones, but I'm really excited because I want to take these planters and scroll over here, and I want to take my peppers that I have going. I started all of these from seed, and I want to put them into the terracotta containers. These are mini bell peppers going right now. You can actually see some of them in there. Mini bell peppers and jalapenos. I believe this one is jalapenos over here. And then I'm also going to move my hot and heavy, my Fire Away Hot and Heavy by Proven Winners. I'm going to move it into one of those containers too. And the idea is to kind of clean up this whole look over here and do 3 and 3 on there. I think that'll look really nice. And then I think I'm going to transplant these these are my Good Hearted Cocktail Tomatoes by Proven Winners. I grew those from their seed collection as well. I think I'm going to transplant those into this. I think that's what I'm thinking. So then I'll have all my peppers lined up. I'll have my tomatoes in that container. I think that'll look really nice. Now, that will allow me to use all these plastic containers, which I actually really love the size of them. I have several new bare roots that I need to get started, and that will give me these planters to kind of work with regarding that. So I think that'll be really good. I think those are more manageable. I can move around easier. And then these terracotta ones, I think will look pretty glorious. If you look at this, I think they'll look pretty glorious over there on those shelves. Okay, so let me tell you what I got inside these planters. I had just finished my wall planter. If you guys didn't catch that video, check it out. I literally finished it 15 minutes ago, but of course it's going to be a different video, a different day for you guys. But I took a lot of the old soil and dried out dead plants from there, and I put them into the bottom of these containers because these are quite large. I mean, here's my hand. Like, these are big containers. I would say 16, 18 inches in diameter. So I put that on the bottom. Next, I'm going to add compost and soil, and then I'm also going to add in the plant tone fertilizer. All right, let's get started. Okay, it says that this one is a jalapeno. It looks like I've got 2 plants in there, so I'll probably keep it that way. So let's check out, I've grown these all from seed. So let's see, oh yeah. Look at that root system, y'all. That looks fabulous. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the plant in there. I'm gonna sprinkle plant tone around the base, and then let's come back with some soil. I might not have enough soil to do all of the project, but let's see where we end up. Okay, sweet. I really like it. I like the uniformity, but one of the things I didn't think about when I was putting on here is it's actually going to cast a lot of shade into my back area of my porch, which is great because that's where I have shade plants and hydrangeas back there, which is super exciting. So it actually ended up being two great things. So I've got everything planted. I watered in really well. I'm going to let stuff not completely dry out, but drain out pretty well because I don't want to overwater the peppers. I'm also going to be installing some more stakes like this. And I used just a couple of clips back here. Let me see. To hold the stems of the peppers up. So I'm going to be installing a few of those just so I don't get any broken stems, especially during some of the windstorms we have. I'm thinking this might not have been the best idea because I got tomatoes and peppers in the same container. Tomatoes need a lot more water than peppers. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So you can see the hot and heavy peppers are already producing. I need to clip these off so it can produce more. But everything's looking really good. I like the look of the whole thing. I do think that my cocktail tomatoes, my Proven Winners cocktail tomatoes are battling spider mites. So I need to treat those with some insecticidal soap, which is weird. Those are battling spider mites, but all my traditional brands of tomatoes are not. I have Purple Cherokee, and way over there I have Sweet 100. So anyway, I'll have to keep an eye on that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, seeing the transformation of these Facebook Marketplace pots, which if you're not using Facebook Marketplace for gardening stuff, you should totally check it out. Super excited about this deal. These run about $30 each retail, so I was very happy with all 6 for 50 bucks. Got the peppers transplanted, cleaned up, and also freed up a lot of smaller containers that I'm going to be utilizing to do some bare root planting. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.